purpose of this one is to come up with a shape for the back window of a car. So we'll start out by taking this square, this plane, this square, and I'll do a mirror in the first off. So add a modifier and mirror. We're going along the y-axis. And I'm going to set merge at 0.01 meters. So now I've got that. Now go into edit mode. So what I need to do is get a kind of bulbous shape here. So to do that, I'll use proportional edit. I'll pick face, and I'm going to take, say, these faces as my center. I'll then start a G. How are we for that radius? Is that okay? Is that enough? Too much?
Let's increase the radius a bit, because I can't spin it round to see how that's behaving. I'm tempted to give that a try.
Okay, let's try that. Spin it around. That's a bit too... that's not emphatic enough, is it? Okay, let's Control Z what we had.
And do the same thing again. G and...
Not a Y. So let's start pulling that out. Let's do it a bit more this time. Call that. Spin that around. It's maybe a bit too exaggerated, but it's the right kind of principle. This was the line that it started off on, but the principle's certainly okay, and I can pull out. I could pull out to this, but trouble is though I can't. What I can't do here. I suppose I could pull out the middle one. Sorry, what I was going to say was, because it's a mirror, I can't pull out the opposite side, I don't think. There's no way. I may pull out the centre, so what would that look like? So if we go into 1 and pick that one, pick that one, drag this out first in a Z, so we'll do in fact, don't even need it to be proportional at this point. A G and a Z. A G and an X, maybe something like that. Maybe do the same thing here with a G and an X. Is that a bit too exaggerated? Okay, and then I can do pick that, right click, and then loop tools. Look at previous video. Do a G stretch, and of course that's not impacted the line below here. Maybe I should... No, I don't think that would have worked, but it doesn't matter. We can play with that, but it doesn't have to be here. So yeah, that's okay. Let's live with that, I think. I haven't added my subdivision surface yet. Okay, so we'll add that in of subsurf. We'll give it 2 of those. Go back into object mode, and that looks pretty damn flash. Quite like that. And a shade smooth. Oh, that's looking nice. Okay. Yeah, that is beautiful, is what that is.